My name's Ewan. And my name's Isla.
My name's Nicole. Welcome back to my kitchen. We have a few extra guests today. The main guest is on her way, and we are going to go over something that inspired me to go into pastry school. It's my mom's cinnamon bread recipe, and we are going to do it as a family and hope to inspire these kiddos to get in the kitchen too.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Go, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we have a full kitchen and we have full hearts right now, huh? Because Nana's visiting. Yeah, and we're going to make Nana's famous cinnamon bread. This is what inspired me to go into pastry. I even wrote an essay on it to get in for admissions. So it's near and dear to my heart, and I'm excited for her to teach us how to make it. I remember as a kid the basics of just punching down the dough and eating the dough, sadly. It's just excited for them to learn too. We're gonna pass it on to the next generation. So let's go.
We're going to start with 3½ cups of flour in the bowl and a packet of yeast. So let's just shake it down a little bit. There you go.
Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna do the other 2 cups.
Okay.
There's 3,
Now it's
so-
Isla's turn.
That
Well,
looks
it's
like
3½.
Brian.
So Isla,
Do one, sweetie.
Like you said, I have to
Okay.
do 1.
throw it in.
So that's 3
Yeah.
and a half.
Cup.
Just this one, but ½ cup. Uno más.
We want less as opposed to more
Okay,
because it was
so
supposed to be sifted in the first place.
we have 3½, and you said the packet of yeast,
And the
Anna?
packet of yeast.
Is there any special technique to this?
Nope,
Or just
just dump it in.
all right. Now it says active dry yeast, where you have to activate it. Do you do that?
It will be activated by the warm milk.
Oh, you warm up milk. Okay.
Mhm. Okay,
All right.
now we're going to pour 2 cups of milk.
Can we do that together, Ewan? Yeah. Thanks, Ewan.
Can you do the other half? Perfect.
My
Isla's
turn.
turn.
Excellent job.
Nice.
That's good.
Okay, then we're going to put in a ½ cup of sugar.
Is that too much?
No, that's fine.
½ cup.
Okay,
Even you got some on.
so we need a ¼ cup of water
Is that
and a
okay?
½ cup
No,
of
you
shortening.
Quarter cup of water. So look how hard it is to you have to measure that out.
So we have to push, we have to really push it in there.
Pack it down.
Pack it down, that's the word I was looking for, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you know so much about it, Mom?
Because she used to always have to pack down brown sugar when we made chocolate chip cookies. So I know that word. There you go.
Good job. That was excellent. Almost all in one.
It's like
Okay.
What's next, Nana?
2 teaspoons of salt.
just spread it all
That's
around.
beautiful, sis.
Oh, good.
Okay, let's make sure we have everything. 2 cups of milk,
check.
2 teaspoons of salt,
Check.
½ cup of shortening,
Check.
½ cup of sugar,
No.
Yep, we poured in sugar. And a 1/4 cup of water.
Yep,
Yes.
Mom did that one.
Okay, now we're going to heat it on a low temperature just so the shortening melts.
All right, so we just melted all of the milk, the sugar, the Crisco, salt, sugar. I think I said that. And my mom had mentioned you don't want it too hot, it kills the yeast. You just want it warm and melted.
And we're going to add the 2 eggs.
I want you to crack the egg into here. Perfect. Right on in, Nina?
Right on in. And we're going to beat at low speed for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay.
Now we're going to do 3 minutes on medium speed.
Three minutes. Done.
Now we're going to slowly add the 4 remaining cups of flour until it's a nice soft dough. It could be sifted flour, but Nana doesn't bother. So go ahead and pour that in.
Do we need to switch this out or not yet?
I usually wait till it gets to be a little thicker and then we switch to the
Still yours to
Okay.
get 2 at one time.
So we do
I
this
let him.
slowly,
Oh, only 1 cup at a time?
1 cup at a time.
Good job.
Thanks, Mom. Now Steven's turn.
So we started off with 3, 4, 5. This will be 6. 6 cups. We can do up to 7.5 cups.
And the dough is slowly just coming together. It's very loose. I wouldn't call it a dough yet. All right, so the dough looks like it's coming together. Do you switch it to the hook around now?
Yes. It's getting so thick that we need to change to the dough hook.
And more flour?
We're going to do a little bit at a time now, Ewan.
Just a little bit.
Come on, I'll tell you when. Let's try that first. Let's see how it looks. It's still a little loose, so we're going to add just a little bit more flour. Can you pour that in?
All of it?
Let's see. Yep, all of it. Okay, so now let's get this off the hook and put it on the table. We're gonna
So
get
is
it.
this the consistency you want?
Can we eat the dough?
Yes.
Okay, and you don't develop the gluten or anything like
Can we
that?
eat the dough?
It's just, okay.
She's being too technical.
No, I just want to be able to tell you guys how it's done.
It looks like this.
It's a ball.
Can we eat?
No,
of
we're not
dough.
gonna eat it quite
No,
yet.
you guys, I'm just showing the camera. Not much gluten development.
We still have to knead it for a while.
Okay, we're gonna personally knead it.
Correct. We're
We're
gonna turn it out on a floured surface. So let's get some more flour on here.
All right.
Now you can spread it out, Ewan.
I'm gonna spread it out.
Oops, sorry, Isla.
Can I spread it out?
And get it out.
Yes, please. We'll let the professional do this.
Are we gonna touch the dough? I'm pretty sure.
Is it coming out? You guys, watch your fingers.
So now we're going to knead the dough, and since I have my bracelets on, I'm gonna let the professional do it. We're gonna knead it into a nice soft dough.
All right, let's see. It's usually this soft.
Yes.
so we don't need to add that much more.
Correct. You don't. It might not be right, but I like a nice loose.
Yeah, I mean,
batter.
the looser the better, right?
My hands.
I meant like a loose dough is usually tastier. It's not.
Otherwise, it gets too dense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is over aerated or too tough.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the bowl.
Is this enough then?
Yes.
You can touch it. I put it over.
Sounds squishy and nice. Can we taste test it?
Here.
You just do like this.
Then you put it in the bowl
Okay.
and you roll it one time so it can get a little bit of
Can we touch it?
shortening on the top and cover it with a towel.
Is this okay?
Yep. And you let it rise for 90 minutes or until double.
All right, the timer just went off. The dough has been rising in our oven for 90 minutes. We're gonna check out what it looks like now. Are you guys excited to see how much it rose? Yeah? All right, let's see. All right. One sec, Nana's gonna punch it down for us, but let's unveil. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Will you guys take off the...
Ta-da!
Wow! It is so big. All right, Nana, what do we need to do?
So you get a little flour on your fist, and then you just get to punch it down.
Oh my goodness.
Then we pour it out onto the table. We're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes after that.
Ready?
Okay. And you said rest for 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10-minute rest. All right, it's been 10 minutes. What do we do, Nana?
Now we're going to make it into a rectangle and roll it up. So first, I just do this by
Stand back and
with
just
my hands. And about the size, the width of the loaf pan.
This was my favorite part, watching you.
I want to taste it.
Yeah, we will once we bake it.
Okay, so once we get it into a rough rectangle,
I'm going to put cinnamon. I'm going to put water on it
Just
so
put
the
a-
cinnamon sticks.
a little bit of water so the cinnamon will stick. Thank you, Isla.
Wow, how'd you know that?
I actually accidentally read mine.
Read her mind.
Then we're gonna roll it
Watch
jelly
this
roll
part.
style. And then you pinch.
I don't know why, but that was always my favorite part, watching you. It's like a little baby.
Put the baby in there. Okay,
All
now
right.
you guys go.
Our turn?
Mhm.
Good. Put the seam on the bottom, and then karate chop it. Karate chop the side. Nope. Is that the side?
No.
Nope.
Hi.
Nope.
No.
Mom's doing it.
No.
The sides? Then Mom did too much. Okay, we're killing the dough, the poor dough.
Oh, the little baby.
Hopefully we didn't kill it too bad. All right.
It's the baby.
Now what do we do?
Then it's going to rise again for 45 minutes. And now we're going to put a layer of butter on the top and sprinkle with cinnamon and sugar mixture.
More cinnamon and sugar.
So you just want a nice little layer of butter. Shake, 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 and sprinkle some on, okay?
Ooh, that's a
Ooh,
lot.
that was a lot.
That's a lot.
Okay, Mommy, you want to help?
Oh, it's
with
good.
Isla?
There's a little. No.
You can kind of spread it with your finger, bud.
Whoa!
Extra.
Yay! That one's gonna be
Just shake
mine.
So now they're going to go in the oven for a total of 35 minutes. We're going to start off with empty on for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes, put a aluminum foil over for the last 20 minutes.
Just to stop from burning, or?
Yes, so it
Okay.
doesn't get too brown.
And it's at 375.
375.
All right.
Okay, let's put these in the
Let
oven.
me get. Okay, gently open it. Okay, Nana, can you check and see if this is good?
Oh, it looks perfect.
Does it? All right. Still very hot, even though it's out of the oven. Okay, I can't feel it with my awesome mitt.
That's a no for you.
Here we go, the reveal. Our hard work, guys. Good job. All right. Are you guys so happy we made these?
Yeah.
Can you thank Nana for teaching us?
Thank you, Nana.
You're welcome.
Thanks for sharing your recipe with us. This was too much fun. Thank you guys for watching. We are gonna cut into these. You're gonna burn yourself. We're gonna cut into these tomorrow, toast them up, and have them for breakfast. Yummer!
Subscribe on our YouTube channel and like on Facebook. Hope you have a good day tomorrow. And this cinnamon bread looks delicious. It's all thanks to our Nana.